Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to show you how to reset your DirecTV account password. You might find yourself in a situation when you are trying to sign into your account but have forgotten your password and don't know what to do next. So in this case we have a solution for you. Start by going to your web browser, but before proceeding further, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video on your web browser. Type in www.directv.com and enter from the official website. Click on My Account and click on Sign into My Account on the Sign In page and enter your user ID and when asked for your password. Since we don't know what the password was, let's click on Forgot Password to find your password. You'll need to enter your user ID and your last name. Enter the user ID and in case you forgot new user ID, click on Forgot User ID and find your user ID by following the instructions. On the next field, type in your last name and click on I'm not a robot. After you do that, click on Continue and you'll be able to reset your password on the next page. That is how you can reset your password for your DirecTV account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.